don't get to be in a hustle and bustle city, but in a place where there's peace and quiet, with good facilities that you can enjoy with your kids, especially when you have young kids. Right, there's some good facilities like ball courts and pools, and even a large place for you to go around for walks and night picnic as well. And it's within a convenient area whereby you have cafes and restaurants, so you are not so put in a place whereby you don't get to enjoy the city life.
Malaking factor yung may mga ganitong event kasi it gives us a chance to enjoy yung subdivision, especially pag may mga ganitong event, holidays, yung out of the norm na at least na sa bahay lang ngayon, makakapag-enjoy tayo sa labas. Attending this event made me realize na at least dito sa subdivision, meron community, at least there's a chance para makipag-mingle sa mga ibang owners, saka makilala namin sila, makipag-network na rin. At the same time, enjoy ng mga kids yung company ng ibang kids.
This place is very peaceful and nice, and the environment is cooling, it's good. And even in the morning, I just do some exercise. And I find that the place here is safe, secure, and it's good.
Peaceful at the same time yung mga community, pati yung mga nakatira dito. Very accommodating at saka katulad nito, may mga event compared sa iba na wala. Sa mga nagbabalak lumipat o tumira dito sa Altamonte, we highly recommend na i-check nyo yung place kasi very friendly and accommodating lahat ng mga staff, and basically peaceful dito, walang problema. At the same time, especially the weather.